confusing it somewhat.
And I think you already mentioned it correctly, because you see, you say no consequences and not credible, then you go on to writing all kinds of safeguards. That's not the right way to do it. So we would leave the consequences because it is credible. It can happen.
Well, let's
And then
but if you read the cause, misdirected flow to other LPG bullet line, right? So right, let's just get the scenario right and clear, because if anyone picks this up in a few days, it won't be clear. Right, so we're depressurizing from our bullet. Let's bullet one, right? We're depressurizing. And what happens is...
an idea, so we could just look at it as speaking. It's easier for the people to see.
Yeah, so just to understand, the cause is misdirected flow to other bullet. Okay, so that's suggesting that scenario is...
Or I would propose, let us put here, no credible cause. And I remove consequence.
Guys,
okay?
Right. No, can you please just let us finish? Now you've gone and changed it. Seriously.
No,
I'm trying to understand what the... Right, we cannot assess properly a scenario if you do not make it clear to everyone what the scenario is. Misdirected flow to other LPG bullet, right? So what we're saying is we're depressurizing, and what, another valves are opened and it's being misdirected to another bullet that we're not working on.
Okay,
no, it's a question.
Let me explain what is my opinion. Now the operation team has decided to depressurize this vessel, this LPG bullet. So what operation team will do, once they decide, they will vacate entire liquid to other bullet, and then they decide.
We understand that.
Yeah.
Just please get to the point. What is the misdirected flow?
Yeah. Let me try to explain. If you agree.
No, I don't. No, please. I don't need the preamble. What I just want to get to is what is the misdirected flow.
Okay.
We're now in a position of depressurizing.
Wait, Scott. While depressurizing, I tried to be lined up to the flare. In case any one of the two valves open to other bullet, because of that's also lower pressure than this depressurizing bullet, where the flow will go.
Yeah, that's what we're saying, Kumar. Let's pick what would be the cause of misdirected flow.
Well, yeah,
and
the cause would be valves open.
Cause is different. Yes. First we finish this. Misdirected flow, yes or no? Let's finish this cause. Then we go for the consequences.